Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Microsoft Excel on the web for free. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just type excel.new. So from online itself I can use Excel without any other hesitation. What I have to do, so on your top in your address box just type excel.new. Once you press excel.new, just press enter. Automatically it will ask you to log in with your email account. For example, if you have a Microsoft account, you can able to log in with your Microsoft account. So using Microsoft account you can able to log in your page. You can access your Excel from the online itself. So it is easy to access your Excel on the spot. For example, if you don't have any other Microsoft account, you can create freely. For example, I just to sign out this option, so I just type excel.new, means automatically you will get the page of Microsoft.com. See, I just type excel.new. So once I click excel.new, it will ask you for sign in with your Microsoft account. So I just have my Microsoft account, so I can create using my email account. If you have your Gmail account, you can create your Gmail account. Cannot access your account or create one, if you click, means automatically you can able to get your Microsoft account. So use your Microsoft account. For example, if you don't have your Microsoft account, it is free to use. So I've given the description link how to create Microsoft account for free. So using your account you can create your email ID and password. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. So using a Microsoft account, I have logged in with my account and I can access the Excel file. So whatever I did, everything will be easy to access. For example, I just want to create a file. I just want to save the file in my local drive. I can able to access. For example, I just have the number and name and all kind of Excel database. Whatever I have created, it will store in OneDrive. That is your email account you have, so it will store in a drive in a cloud. If you want to store in your laptop, it is possible. What you have to do, just go to file menu and save as, just type download as a copy. So once you click download as a copy, automatically your file, that is your file, will be download in your system itself. It is a beautiful option. Using this option you can able to access your file in local system. Otherwise you can able to access your OneDrive into Excel in online. So it's a beautiful option. Formulas will be worked properly, data, reviews and draw and layout and insert, all the menus. So the same thing whatever you are using Excel in offline mode, same thing in online mode. Using your excel.new, using your email account, you can able to create your Excel file. For example, if you are different kind of place, you want to access your file, you can able to work with this option. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.